Now that you've managed to open the bottle of sparkling wine or champagne, how do we pour it? I generally like to take a napkin, fold it in half, and place it there in front of me. Then, as I've demonstrated, hold the bottle against yourself, 45 degrees, one hand holding the cork firmly in place and twisting the base. What will happen? You'll have a gentle pop. Then, I like to place the glass in front. With my hand that is not holding the bottle, I will then pour. And I normally like to pour about a third and then give it a little wipe. And the reason why, I allow the bubbles to gently have that soft, subtle greeting. Then pour a second time and then twist, place the napkin under, and there you are. You have a beautifully poured glass of sparkling wine that when you hand to your guest, you can say, Votre santé, to your health. Thank you very much for watching our video. And if you liked our video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.